What? We don't do it, big board. I will give you all my chicken.
Wait.
Just say go.
Go. Oh my god! The worst thing is I don't even know if we're gonna use that take.
What?
Oh my
Part
gosh.
of our history.
Yeah, and it's also going to be a deduction from our security deposit.
Alright, you think you can reach the door from here?
Go?
Yeah.
What happened to the door in the first place? Are the neighbors not gonna say anything? Like, that is crazy.